Hey guys, what's up? Welcome everyone to another video here on the K-Tech channel, and today I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of this new release. Poco M8 Pro 5G, and this smartphone, guys, is really awesome. Poco is doing a great job with the design and build quality of their devices. I'll put the purchase link for this guy here in Brazil in the video description. Product images will appear during the video and you can click them to buy easily. And for those who have the money, like this device, it's still expensive, it's still a new release, but you can take part in the giveaway for this one. I'm holding 12 gigabytes of RAM with 512 gigabytes. It's the top version available. This one will be exclusive for the very important person groups on WhatsApp and Telegram. I'll also leave the link for you here in the video description. All right, before anything else, guys, make sure to leave that like. It really helps a lot. Check your subscription to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates, and of course, share it as well to help us out here. Alright, now let's get to our unboxing and initial review with first impressions of another new release, the Poco M8 Pro 5G. Let's go to the video, let's do this. Starting the unboxing, a yellow box, Poco standard, with only the model highlighted, black on the front and on the side label, the international mobile equipment identity codes, and the product version. Opening the box, we immediately see the envelope, and inside it we have a SIM ejector tool, the quick start guide, and a black silicone case. There's also a charging and data transfer cable, USB-A on one end and USB Type-C on the other. And right below we have the smartphone. And as you already know, guys, the version sold here in Europe doesn't come with a charger in the box, but check this out. This device supports charging up to 100 watts of power. And if you buy through the link I'll leave here in the description or directly on the screen, you'll already get it with a 100-watt charger inside the box, which is really good. And now, with the device already in hand, all set up, we have a 6.83-inch active matrix organic light emitting diode screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate, high dynamic range, 10 plus Dolby Vision, and a maximum brightness of 3200 nits. It has a great feel, weighing 206 grams and only 8.3 millimeters thick. And this silver color looks really nice, and the camera module follows the same pattern as Poco and Redmi, and it also looks good. It certainly deserves a pat on the back. The right side has the volume and power buttons. On top, there's a noise-canceling mic and stereo output. The left side is empty. And on the bottom, there's the SIM card tray, a microphone, a USB Type-C port, and a stereo sound output for the battery. Guys, we have an impressive 6500 mAh silicone and carbon battery, and the performance is really good. It lasts all day easily, and moderate users can get 2 days of battery life with this device. Now let's go to the processor test I did here. Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 4nm Antutu, running at a score of 814,000 points. A very good score, but in my opinion, I think it could be a little better. Let's run some images now, playing with it on the settings screen of Quad Mobile. Check out the graphics. If I change the frame rate to ultra, it drops the graphics quality to low, and if I change the quality to very high, it sets the frame rate to maximum. And during the game, you can see that everything runs smoothly, very fluid, no stress, no problem at all. Guys, it's a good processor. It's not a top-of-the-line one, but it won't let you down. But as I mentioned, they could have tried harder with the processor. It comes with certification, guys, IP68 and IP69K, supporting high-pressure water jets and submersion for up to a month and up to 30 minutes. As for the operating system, we have Xiaomi HYPEROS2, running with Android 15 with a promise of 4 years of Android updates. We also have near-field communication connection, which is really good, and Android Auto working normally as well. Fingerprint unlocking directly on the screen, working very fast, and facial unlocking as well, both working really well. And there are only 2 versions of this guy here, 8 with 256 and 12 with 512. And it supports 2 nano SIM cards and 5G. It doesn't have memory expansion and also doesn't have embedded subscriber identity module connection. Let's go now to its audio and video test. Let's go, guys, audio and video test of the Poco M8 Pro Advanced Quality 2160 PT. I'm going to turn the brightness up to the maximum and the volume, guys. Check this out. Let me rotate the screen here. Listen to its volume. I'm even going to lower it a bit. You saw 200 and 400%, okay? Its audio is really awesome. Let's go. Music. Guys, as you saw, the audio and image of this device are excellent. Its screen is really beautiful. The colors are very vibrant, very well highlighted, and the saturation is very well balanced. Also here, the screen is amazing and its audio as well. Stereo with Dolby Atmos technology, delivering a lot of quality too. Even at maximum volume, it doesn't distort, it doesn't lose quality. Really good audio. Also, let's start talking about the cameras. On the front, we have a 32 megapixel camera recording at a maximum resolution of full high definition 1080p 60 fps. Let's take some photos and videos with the front camera. And now here, guys, the front camera of the Poco M8 Pro 5G maximum resolution, full high definition, 1080p 60 fps. Yeah, it can go up to 60. Let's walk a little bit. Here, it shakes a lot, but look, the camera holds up really well, stabilizes really well, very good. Man, I liked it, huh? The image quality looks really good too for me here on the screen, and the stabilization is excellent as well, very good. Unfortunately, the weather isn't helping us test the high dynamic range here. But we can do a preview like this. Look. See over there, you see the cloud there. Then when it comes to me, the cloud is still there. We can still see the cloud. Look again. Here it shows a little more, here it gets wider, but it still manages to hold it a bit. So I would have to do some tests on days with stronger sunlight here, but it's hard. It's already been a month or more that I've been waiting for this sun, and it hasn't come. Today, actually, we even had hail here in the morning, a really heavy hailstorm, and then it stopped. I said, oh, I'll take advantage of it, but that's it, we're here, guys. So, front camera of the Poco M8 Pro 5G, guys. I really enjoyed recording with its front camera. The stabilization is really good. When you're recording, it's 1080. The audio capture also on the microphone is excellent. I really liked it. It's missing high dynamic range for video and 4K as well, of course, but the camera itself is really good. And now let's go to the rear part, which has only two cameras, right? A main one with 50 megapixels and an 8 megapixel ultra wide. We have the flash, and here on the side is just a decoration, just for the finishing touch. Here in the camera module, there's nothing else. It's just two cameras, alright? And it can record in 4K at 30 FPS. Now let's check out some photos and videos with its rear cameras. And here we are, guys, the rear camera of the Poco M8 Pro 5G 4K 30 FPS maximum resolution. Holding it only with my right hand, and look how well it stabilizes. Pretty impressive, right? This is a place that shakes a lot, but it holds up really well. Let's test the focus here real quick. Focused here, let's go over there. Look, really fast, huh? Very good. Let's apply the zoom here now. 4, 6 times, half a dozen at 4K at 30, guys. Very good, very good. One more spin here for you guys. Excellent quality. Awesome. I really liked it here, just like with the front camera, but I enjoyed the 4K 30 FPS rear camera even more. It keeps the stabilization for video, which is also very good, and the image quality is also very good. What left a little to be desired, in my opinion, is when you use the zoom. Then it gets very grainy and loses much of its quality. Anyway, let's move on to our final summary with the device's positive points. In my opinion, its battery is very good. The certifications also help a lot. Its active matrix organic light emitting diode screen is beautiful, and the stereo sound is also of very high quality. And I'll also mention the rear cameras here. They're not exactly top of the line, the best in the world, but the rear cameras are very good. And now, negative points, in my opinion, the processor. I think it could deliver a bit more, a slightly more powerful processor for this device. It deserved that, and the front camera as well. For its price, I think the smartphone should have a better camera, at least one with 4K recording. Still, I'd like to hear your opinion. Comment down below what you thought of the video, what you thought of the device. Did you like it? Is it worth it or not? Your comment is very important, okay? Before you leave, don't forget to leave your like if you didn't do it at the beginning. Check your subscription here on the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share it with everyone. All right, we're together, guys. Thank you all so much. God bless you. A big hug, and see you next time. Thanks, I'm out.